If you're a consultant, course creator, or e-commerce business owner looking to boost sales and build powerful sales funnels quickly, Fluxtore is the tool for you. This lightweight, easy-to-use WordPress funnel builder comes with a collection of conversion-optimized templates that help you create funnels with checkout pages, order bumps, upsells, and downsells, all designed to maximize your revenue. Fluxtore's built-in analytics let you dive deep into customer behavior and funnel performance, so you can make data-driven decisions and outsmart your competition. With its A/B split testing feature, you can experiment with different offers, layouts, and headlines to find the winning combination. Plus, Fluxtore's customizable funnel steps and custom fields give you full control to tailor the customer journey exactly how you want it. Available for just $19 for lifetime access on up to 3 websites, Fluxtore makes funnel building fast, fun, and profitable. Don't miss this deal. Grab your license with the purchase link below.